Lie on the floor on your stomach. Stretch your legs back, tops of the feet on the floor. Spread your hands on the floor under your shoulders. Keep your legs close together with your feet and heels lightly touching. Place your hands palm downwards under the shoulders, keeping your elbows parallel and close to your body. On an inhalation, slowly lift your head, chest and abdomen while keeping your navel on the floor. Rotate the shoulder blades against the back and lift the top of the sternum without pushing the front ribs forward. Taking the tops of the thighs and knees back, press upper arms towards each other, shoulder blades down along the spine, but keeping the space across the tops of the shoulders. Distribute the back bend evenly through the entire spine, with the thighs remaining in contact with the earth, lifting the legs towards the crown of the head, going as far as you can comfortably go. Then release back to the floor with an exhalation.